Are you ready to dive into 3-click research to be able to find million-dollar books where they are scooping in large amounts of money every single month? Now you can find out the coloring books, word searches, or nonfiction books that are making the most money every single month without doing tedious research. You better speed through the traffic of everybody else watching and pay attention now. Get out your pens and paper. This is where you start making money. Today, we're going to show you how to find winning high dollar niches for KDP publishing without having to dive down these different niche categories. So instead of having to click and try to find ones that are good sellers and trying to find ratings and try to use extensions to be able to find the winners, we're going to show you how to go ahead and find these winning books, niches, and categories that you want with just a couple of clicks. And it makes it super quick and efficient so that you can start publishing right away. Thanks for joining me today. I am Daniel, the Passive Cash Stacker. I'm the creator of AI Instant Books, as well as Road to Bestseller. My training courses show you how to become a bestseller on not only Amazon KDP, but as well as 64 other places to be able to maximize the amount of money you can get in your royalties, sales, and affiliate commissions. So let's go ahead and dive into this right now. So instead of going and deep diving through each one of the categories, we can go ahead and use one of my trusty programs that I like to see, which is called Helium 10. I will actually have a discount link down below. If you want to go ahead and check this out, you can try out for free and you can get a lifetime discount on it. But what we would do is we would come up here to the tools section and then we would select black box. And when we are inside of black box, we can go ahead and do an advanced search. So this is great because it's going to allow us to really dive down deep to exactly what we want to find so that we can use our shovel and pull out the gems of niches and specific book titles that we want to go ahead and target. So with this, we only have to do a few selections to be able to find exactly what we want. So right here where it says product, we come down here, and of course, since we're looking for KDP, we're going to select books. Now, we could just do a general search like that and find out what the broad niches and categories are. Or we could use the little click down icon here, and we can see all of the different niches. So if we want to go for a specific niche, then we can go ahead and select that. So what we would do is we would find the niche that we want to go to. So whether it's business and money or any other kind like education and teaching. So we can go in here and we can actually find the winners for the ones that we are looking for. So when we come and select the ones that we like, we have our different category and subcategory selections ready to go. Now, like I said, you could just select books and try to find secret niches hiding in there, which I did the other day. And we can also come down here, and if you are targeting a specific keyword, then you can go ahead and type that to make sure that keyword is somewhere in the title. But all we have to do here is select our categories. Let's go ahead and click search and see what kind of gems that it finds for us. So we have a list of books here. And what we can do is we can go ahead and search it by monthly revenue to go ahead and see which one is making the most money. Now, this one here is actually funny because they sell this on a different website. And this is one of those books where you go through a deep funnel and you buy these. This one's doing almost $1 million a month. But we can also come down here and we can find other things that are doing well. And we can go ahead and see if there's anything that we like that we can also do some creating on. Now, you see that we do have some test taking books here that are doing really well. 500,000, like 467, 488,000 for some test taking. We have day trading book that's doing 434,000 a month. This is another one of those books that is doing a funnel on another platform. That one's doing 400,000 a month. Now, if we want to do other criteria, we can just come up here to edit filters and we can go ahead and select another category. So right here, we have business and money. I went ahead and deleted the other ones, and then you can apply the filters. And if you see, a lot of these books are on how to. So right here, the Algebra of Wealth, a simple formula of financial security. It's doing $450,000 a month. Day trading attention, how to actually build a brand and sales in the new social media world. 434,000. A guide to project management. Never split the difference, negotiating as if your life depended on it. 368,000. Now, the great thing about these are you can get these particular ideas and find what is working, what is selling, and you can go ahead and create one or two or a couple books on that particular niche so that you can go ahead and get a little piece of that market. And if you wanted to go ahead and get a little crazy on it, if you go like this, you can actually find this one here is a Kindle book. You can get the digital version, and then you could go ahead and have AI write a book or rewrite or reword the book in your own words and give you the ability to go ahead and have one that is very similar to this book and be able to get a section of that market. Now, if we wanted to go ahead and find books in the broader niche to see if there's anything that is outlying, we could go ahead and take the subcategories off. We could just go ahead and select books, and then we could go ahead and apply filters. And that will go ahead and give us the broad book market to see what the biggest winners are there. We go ahead and search by monthly revenue to see what the specific book is doing. And then we can go ahead and go down from there. So you see here, there's some books that are doing $1 million a month for a single book or a single set of books, which is pretty crazy. $1 million a month, $1 million a month, $1 million a month, $1 million a month. That's just craziness. So you come down here and you can see if there's anything that jumps out to you in a specific niche that you like, and you can go ahead and recreate this, either writing it yourself, writing it with AI, or being able to get a collective look on the niche and find all of the different categories and book chapters that it has so that you can recreate that for yourself and snatch a piece or a part of that niche. Like, how would it feel to be able to do $1 million a month? That's highly unlikely just starting out. But there are books and collections of books here that are doing $1 million months, which is pretty amazing. And we're able to sort through these instantly by keywords, by subcategories, and we're able to find what works for us to be able to find the winners. And you can even have up to 100 different outputs per page, and you can dig through here and find things that work for you with the numbers right there ready for you. Once again, we can go ahead and dive in here. And so we can go ahead and edit our filters again. Now, if we wanted to do books, but say we are doing activity books or crossword puzzles or coloring books, we can go ahead and come down and select our title keywords, what we want to include. So we could go coloring book, and we could go ahead and apply the filters, and we could find the coloring books that are making the most money inside of the books criteria. We can go ahead and do monthly revenue again. We can search and sort them, and instantly you can see which coloring books are making the most money. So we've got some that are making $204,000 a month, $156,000 a month, $151,000 a month. So $100,000 a month coloring books that you can go ahead and quickly and easily find what they are. You can dissect what they're doing, how many pages, what the topic is, and you can recreate your own version of what they are doing so you can get a piece of that pie. Same thing for like crossword puzzles. We can go ahead and apply that filter. We can go ahead and sort our data to find the crossword puzzles that are crushing it and making the most per month so that we know which ones to target, which ones to replicate so that we can go ahead and get what? A piece of the pie. So we see here, we have tons and tons of books right here, 100,000 a month for a book, 68,000 a month, 40,000 a month, 23,000 a month. So we can come in here and we can find the ones that are producing well, and we can go ahead and recreate these so that we can start making the $1,000 a month, hundreds of dollars a month, and we know exactly what it is we need to do to target, to pinpoint, and it's all super quick and easy. Now, if you want to go ahead and get a lifetime discount on this app, make sure that you follow my link in the description below, and if you want to get the best price, make sure you select the option that you want. Usually, Platinum is going to be what most people select. You can automatically get the 25% off here, plus you can get an additional lifetime 10% off if you use my best price code of BESTPRICE10. You just click apply, and that will go ahead and give you an additional lifetime discount so that you can go ahead and find these books instantly. And if you check out our other books down below, we'll have a playlist, and we show you how to get thousands of reviews automatically, how to go ahead and find out what your competitors are doing and grab all of their keywords, whether it's organic or paid. And we have a lot of other strategies that we dissect inside this video, playlist, and it will give you the ability to be able to smack up competitors and put those dollars in your pocket where they belong. Thank you so much for watching here on Daniel's Passive Cash Stacker channel. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.